Seasons changing, summer starts to leave, autumn falls on me, fall, winter, and spring. 80 degrees, warm enough for me. I felt deep, sun ain't half the meaning. Open my eyes and see, we will float over water, leaning into shore as we make our nirvana. Sacred, so pure, lift up the child. I know we will.
I chose not to be a slave. Drop the wave runners, now we run away. Like we ain't had all the hood rats and mud rats. Like you ain't had them with good stats and nothing. Nobody gon' ruin me. I just call my wife up, let's get Hoover free. I put all my ice up in my Louis V. I just caught my mama crib, I'm back over east. Let me get your ear like Holyfield. From the home of Soldier Field, coming home the side Soldier Field. All that killing over, that's just overkill. Yeezy back in the shy, this that Oprah feel.
Summer starts to leave, autumn falls on me, fall, winter, and spring. 80 degrees, warm enough for me. I felt deep, sun ain't half the meaning. Open my eyes and see, we will float over water, leaning into shore as we make our nirvana. Sacred, so pure, lift up the child. I know we will.
My life is exciting as Dennis Rodman's. Stars intertwine my soul back in alignment. If we don't have the same vision, no point in exchanging contacts. Only ex I love running into is at the end of my contracts, yeah. Bottom line, I'm seeing through the mask of the fakes like we at the Comic-Con. I point them out from time to time. Speaking of time, me and my mom been getting closer. Either I took her for granted or didn't know her. Or is it I'm getting older? Or is it Lucas finally turning into Yoda? Only new beginnings, no such thing as over. We should've just stayed friends that never opened up and needed closure. God, give me directions like Noah. Not on no hopeless romantic shit, but I can't wait to see Ye get back with Hova. Little bitch, this the new chain in command. Might bring the power chains back like me and Ye in Japan. Cuddy back at it again, push that's to the end. Yeah, just like it should've been. Nothing but that good energy around us. I knocked down the walls in my head, free my mind up. I didn't change the game, how I helped redesign it. Yeah, going against us, you need Elijah Muhammad. I'm so fucking conscious, that shit is my compass. Yeah, yeah. Done.
Seasons changing, summer starts to leave, autumn falls on me, fall, winter, and spring. 80 degrees, warm enough for me. I felt deep, sun ain't half the meaning. Open my eyes and see, I can't walk on water. I can't flow from the bottom. Father, lift me up, don't let me drown. I know you won't. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Who really loves me? Somebody loves me. Who really wants me? Who really cares about me? Said I remember when you left me by my grandma's house. Yeah, I remember when you left me by my grandma's house. You ain't my nigga if you ain't never been to my grandma's house. This ain't real love if we ain't never fuck on my grandma's couch. Nobody loves me, can't trust nobody. Don't want no fake nigga around me, don't need nobody. Seasons changing, summer starts to leave, autumn falls on me, fall, winter, and spring. 80 degrees, warm enough for me. I felt deep, sun ain't half the meaning. Open my eyes. don't let me drown. Yeah. Okay, I've been on the road, fuck it, I guess that's how it gotta be. Getting way too much cash not to upgrade percentages and salaries. All I ever wanted is someone to be genuine and truly show me love. She got me high like she's Sarah Quill. Don't take nothing from us, I don't got time to be watching them. Ooh, when she walk in them here, she can't keep up. She gon' watch me.
Autumn falls on me.
She gon' watch me.
Fall winter.